Boy, the last couple of weeks, almost 8 weeks, I think, have been really challenging. One of the reasons that I began to explore legitimate ways to make money or earn a living online is because of my health. And I was disabled for a long time, and I got better, or was getting better. Still had chronic aches and pains, but I've been getting my butt kicked lately, and it came back. And I've been in a tough spot, but it has allowed me to clarify my priorities. And I've been able to eliminate some things and even some aspects of my character that just don't serve me or my family. And it's been a good wake-up call. And I've had to cancel. So some of you might not know that I'm a wedding minister, a wedding officiant. And people hire me months in advance, and they pay in advance as well. And not only have my medical costs just really gone quite high lately, but I've had to cancel and refund 8 weddings. So it's put the pinch on us financially. And one of the things that has brought me comfort over the last 7 or 8 weeks has been my affiliate marketing business, because everything is all set up, because I've been working on it, off and on for a couple of years, but real seriously over the last 8 or 9 months. And having a way to earn a living that isn't dependent on being hired or being anywhere and being responsible to anyone really is an amazing thing, and has given me comfort during this time when I'm fearful, because I don't know when I'm going to get better. I mean, I'll be doing the laundry and walking from the living room to my bedroom and just go down in the kitchen. And then 6 hours later, I'm still down on the couch or in bed laying around. It's been tough. Luckily, I have this desk that it hangs the computer above my face, and I can lay flat and stare up at it. And it's great if I'm just using the mouse. It's no good for typing. But I've been able to get a lot done because of that. And if you're in the SFM community and you are positioned at elite, or what I think they call marketing mastery now, or maybe, I don't know, elite. Well, my elite coaches are Frank and Jill, and they've been really great. I've asked them to check in with me every single Thursday to see what kind of progress that I've made. And I've got an appointment coming up with a different coach, Mark Ford, and we're going to do deadlines for me to get stuff done. And this health crisis has allowed me to make some really great forward progress in my affiliate marketing business. And it has solidified my knowing that the digital lifestyle, for me, is absolutely the way to go. Where, if my body can't make commitments or can't keep commitments that I'm trying to make or that I'm making, I don't really have much of a choice because I'm unemployable. So earning a living online is the only way that I can do it. And I'm so grateful to have found the SFM. And if you're watching this and you're unsure that it's legit and that it's real, I totally understand that. I had lost money on 3 different things online before finding the 6-figure mentors. And so I was real cautious when I went in. And, the company's run by salespeople, and they're teaching you how to sell online. They're teaching you internet marketing. So they really push you through the process. And while that does seem like, they're selling you, what I have come to know over the last 3 years since I've been a member is that the speed with which we accomplish things and get our business up and running 100% dictates the level of success. And if you drag your feet and if you don't do stuff, it's never going to work. And then you're going to think, this doesn't work, and then you're going to go leave a negative review online or something. Consistent daily action is really the most important thing that I've learned, and I hear it all the time, but it's true. Even if it's just typing something, a blog post, which I realize is work for some people, but once you get good at it, it's really not that big of a deal. And I even pay a woman on Fiverr $5 to write my blog posts, and she does hours worth of work for $5. It's crazy. And then I pay another guy $5 or $10 to do my keyword research, because that's super time consuming, and I don't enjoy it. And sitting in front of the computer is really challenging for me because of my spine and my nervous system. So I pay him $10 and he goes and finds me my keywords. So if you're thinking of getting into an online business and you're afraid, just know that a lot of the tasks, you got to get to know how to do them, but then you realize, I don't dig this at all. And so then you look for someone else to do that task for you. And there are people in other countries who work for cheap. And if huge corporations can outsource their labor, so can we, right? And huge corporations have used us for our labor, for years and years and years, and the system doesn't work at all. And I see, I'll just say a family member who's got golden handcuffs. He cannot quit his job because of vested and unvested stock options, and he feels because of his age, if he left and went anywhere else, there's no way that another company would pay him as much as he's making at the company that isn't treating him well. And my phone is ringing, so I'm going to decline that real quick. And, so anyways, so with Frank and Jill, my coaches, when I had them check in with me to ask me what's going on, even though I've been in health crisis, last night I had a video interview with Luke and Brooke in the community, and they were great. And I'm going to edit that video maybe tomorrow. I edited a different video for a different conversation this morning, a guy named Guy, and I got it up in my email series, and it is not on my blog yet, but will be. I got a different video interview with Sarah up on YouTube, on my blog, in my email follow-up series. I sent out a mass email to everyone on my list saying, hey, do you still have any interest in starting an online business? And I've heard back from 9 people from a really simple email. And I've gone back and forth, with a few people, and that makes me feel good. Oh, and you know what else made me feel good? One of the people I referred, her name is Jen, and what's really cool is she is here in Scottsdale. And, she saw my ad on YouTube and was like, hey, I'm in your town. And we've met in person before, and she reached out to me with a text message yesterday because she's overwhelmed, and she's like, Matt, I haven't done any of the things that we talked about and put on paper for me to do. And I was able to guide her and serve a purpose. And that's really cool. And even though I'm still new in this online journey, I've learned a ton in the short time that I've been doing it. And I was able to provide some really valuable guidance. And that's an amazing thing. That's an amazing thing. So, and there's way more that I got done this week other than that, but I don't feel like talking anymore. I feel like I'm blabbing. So I'm just going to end this video and wish you all well. Wish you well. If you have any desire to explore having your own online business, I'll put a link down below. And you know what? I want my videos to be helpful and to serve a purpose of some kind. So comment down below and let me know if what you heard in this video is in any way useful to you. And if it is, hit that thumbs up or like button, and just know that I appreciate you. Have a good day.